is good. And you know, the most interesting part of this whole thing is the snail inside this plantain. Is the snail. I love snails so much. Damn. Don't mind me. Wow.
This is a cacao.
Wow. This looks delicious already. Okay. Oh. Please, can you help me call the chef so he can tell me how this food is being prepared? Please call him. Yeah, thank you. There are snails inside the plantain. Wow. Mr. Chef, how are you?
I'm fine.
This food looks very appetizing, looks delicious, but I've not tasted it. So before I do, I'll have to taste a little, and then you have to tell me the recipes and how this is being prepared. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Chef Larry.
Chef Larry, are you from Bayelsa State?
Not really. I'm from Akwa Ibom State. I've been in Bayelsa for a very long time.
Oh really? That's
Yes.
nice. And you can prepare the delicacy?
Yes, Bayelsa led the delicacy very well.
Okay, what's the name of this fish? This fish tastes very nice.
Yes, this fish in a Jaw language, we call it aba. Yes, it's a very special fish they use in most of the important events in Bayelsa State,
I see.
like marriages, maybe burial,
Okay.
things like that.
Okay, so it's a special fish.
It's a very special fish in as much as Bayelsa is concerned.
Oh my goodness, so I'm eating a special fish.
Yes, you are eating
Wow.
a very special fish as you come to Bayelsa. So when you talk of fish, this fish is this fish.
Okay.
The name of the fish is aba.
Aba. Okay, so I noticed that in this plantain, is it ripe plantain or unripe?
Is alright plantain.
Okay, I noticed that there are snails inside the.
Yes.
Why?
Is without snail, this food, this very plantain, they call it kekefia. Without snail, it's not complete. We have snail inside it, some dry fish, pieces of dry fish. Then I cook it together with the dry fish. Then after that, I'll then extract the water before I put oil.
Okay.
Yes.
It tastes nice.
You're
Tastes
welcome.
Very nice. I must say, it's nice. So these are the food you guys are enjoying here.
Yeah, sure.
Wow. So I noticed there is uda in it. Why did you use uda? Is it because of the pepper soup? You added the
That is
spice?
a spice we use in cooking it.
Okay. It makes it taste nice anyway. Your food is nice.
You're welcome.
I love it. So this is called what soup? Yellow soup.
Yellow
right?
soup.
So how is this prepared? What are the recipes for this food?
These are the food that is, you can use goat meat, fresh fish,
Okay.
snail, and lobster
Okay.
inside. Then we'll thicken it with very little gari.
Okay, so it is gari that you people use in thickening this.
Yes.
And it tastes so nice as if it's melon. It tastes like it's melon.
Yes.
Trust
It's not
me.
melon. It's
It's gari.
gari. Yes.
Wow.
We will shift the gari. Then
This is nice. Trust me, it's very, very nice. I would love to cook this when I get back to my base.
you have no problem. You're welcome.
And I must say that this food tastes very delicious as it looks. Tastes very nice.
Thank
You're
you.
actually doing a good job. Keep it up.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Trust me, this tastes very nice. Viewers, you just have to come to Yenagoa, come to K Lodge apartment and studio and have good food. If you want to eat Yenagoa food, Bayelsa's food, just come to this place. The chef is good. And you know, the most interesting part of this whole thing is the snail inside this plantain. Is the snail. I love snails so much. Damn. Don't mind me. This tastes yummy. Ah, man, this fish is very sweet. I love this fish. So I want to stop eating this one so that there will still be enough space in my stomach to eat the other food. So like I said, this food is called kekefia. So I'm done eating this one for now. I'm done testing it. So maybe I'll later come back and finish it. But I want to go to the next food, which is called yellow soup and eba. I'll have to be washing my hand. I won't use cutleries for this, so I have to be washing my hands. I hope this yellow soup tastes better like that of the kekefia. Don't mind me. Okay. I love prawns and I love goat's meat, so don't mind me if I finish them in a bit. Damn, this tastes very nice. But you know the funniest part of this whole thing, this soup isn't prepared with gari, this gari that you see that I'm eating now. Raw gari was what they used in thickening this soup, and it tastes as if they used melon to prepare this. It's nice. I'll try it. Trust me, I'll try it when I get back to my base. I'll try it. But the food is nice though. If you want to have good food in Yenagoa, please don't forget to stop by K Lodge Apartment and Studio. Their seafood restaurant. They make good food. Trust me, this is nice. You can't miss this. The yellow soup is really nice. Oh my goodness. Wow. Viewers all over the world, you just have to visit this place. Trust me, you won't waste your money, because I'm a foodie. I love food. I cook, so I know when the food is good and when the food is bad. Trust me, I'll give the chef 101%. Kudos to you, chef. So viewers all around the world, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.